What's good, guys? Tito back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys pretty much, as you see in the title, a stock strategy that could potentially triple your money every week. The reason that I'm showing you guys this strategy is because I've tried it a few times and I'm up like 300% for the week, as I showed you guys in my TikTok. So yeah, what we're gonna do is basically take you through what an iron butterfly is. That's what I'll be explaining today, and we're gonna check a few stocks that work for it. So number one is Intel. I like Intel because over the month it usually picks a range and like stays there. So literally the highest it was going was 58, lowest it was going was 55. So literally if you just played 59, 54 the whole like month, you would have made buku bread from June to July until it started dipping more. Then you would start widening your range more and things like that. So let's go ahead and just look at what one is. So basically, let's say we do so what you want to do when it's an iron butterfly, you want to do a sell call. Basically you're selling both a call and a put at the money line, but you're buying a call and you're buying a put where your range wants to be. So basically you're gonna do wherever it is right now. The money line is 53, so 53, you're gonna choose that. Now you have one, so it's like you're selling a call. So if you just sold a call, you would need 100 shares, but you don't need 100 shares for this strategy. So you sell a call and then you sell a put at the same price. Now it's like a custom. So basically if you were doing this, it would be like pretty much like a strangle type thing. So now what you're going to do is you're going to buy call. What this means is you're looking at the top of your range. You're looking for the top of your range. So say we wanted like 54. Say I don't think it'll go to 54. I don't think it'll expire past 54 on Friday. So I don't think the stock will be past 54 on Friday. So we do that and say we choose 54. And we do buy put. Now we're going to choose our bottom leg. Say I don't think it'll go under 51.5 by Friday. So we do that. Now we're looking at the profit loss. So pretty much you're risking, let's see, got collateral. You're risking 60 to make 90 if you do that. So you literally see that you're doubling your money. You're more than doubling your money off of this condor. Now, say you want to, get a little riskier. You know what I'm saying? Let's get a little riskier. You'll make more, but it's more risky because it'll probably expire out of your range and then you lose the max loss. So say we were getting risky and we did 52. Then you would only be risking 23 to make 77, essentially quadrupling your money. Now that's only if Intel stays in the range of 52 and 54, which it most likely won't. So we want to be smart with these ranges. So what you would do is probably 51, you know what I'm saying? And probably actually like 55. So now you're risking 80 to make 120. I would take that. Like literally you are like almost doubling your money. No, you are doubling your money. You're almost tripling your money. So the thing is, Intel, if it does stay stagnant around this range, it probably will because it doesn't move much once it finds a floor. The thing is, you're literally making 80 plus 40. So like you're making 250% off your money. So say if you did multiple contracts like this and you did like 10 contracts, you're risking 800 to make 1,200. So say if we did like 3 contracts, you're risking 240 to make 360. I think that's a pretty good deal for a range that literally most likely is going to be true. Say if you are kind of scared and you just want to keep and you want to go your range like super high. just so it's literally foolproof. Like Intel will probably never go past this. So say we go towards the higher end, 56.5, and then we go towards the lower end, like literally like 49.5 or something like that. 49.5. Still, you're risking more now, but you're still making like 80% on your money, and you're only using this range. Like literally, your range is big. Like if you look at it, your range is 49.5 and it's 56.5. Like literally, Intel has never jumped either of those directions that much because it's at 52 right now, 52.84. So it hasn't jumped like that much in a day ever. So this is literally earnings, as y'all can see again. Literally had an earnings drop, and we're probably gonna stay in this range. It might come back up a little bit, but honestly, I don't see it doing much more than that. Now let's go to my second favorite stock to do this on, and that's AT&T. As you can see, AT&T literally never moves. Like goes from 27 to 28, 27 to 28, 27 to 28 to 29 to 27 to 28. Like it never goes past 30. Say we use that to our advantage, and again we do the sell call and the sell put in the middle, because you always want to go where the middle is to start off of your butterfly. And then you do your range. Say we do 29.5. You could even do 29 really, because it never goes like above 29 anymore. But like say you do a put for like 27. You are risking 102 to make 48. So you're making 50% on that. Say you do your left leg a little higher, risking 54 to make 46. But that's only if AT&T expires between 29 and 27.5. So a safe range I would do for AT&T was like 27 and 29. That's a foolproof. Like you literally do that all day, and you're making still like, let's see how much. You're still making like freaking 50% on your money. So I love this strategy. Let's talk about the downsides of the strategy. So let's go back to one I entered. So let's go to, what's it called? Bro, I can't remember the stock name. Intel. All right. So let's go back to Intel. So this is one I entered. I entered 250 collateral to make 131. And I'm down $7 because Intel started moving like down a lot, getting towards my lower leg because I did 52. So if it does look like it, think of it like it's a person reacting. If a person sees that it's coming towards 52 pretty close, it'll start like panicking a little bit. So there's a little bit of panic. So when it does like start to straighten out, like when you have a straight line, that's when you actually start to profit and stuff like that. So I only did Intel because like it literally barely moves. So I think Intel is probably one of the best stocks to do this on, and you guys can see for yourself with some profits. Literally just try this strategy out. The last stock I like doing this on is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has decent. You're still getting like 50% on your money. It has decent because they just had earnings, so the prices are pretty inflated. But again, do your system: sell, call, sell, put. Yeah, sell, call, sell, put. Buy, call. Say, literally never goes past 58. So do like 59, and then do like 56. And you're making literally doubling your money. Like, if we look at the weekly chart, monthly chart even, this one's more like upwards, but it still doesn't go past like 50, 58, 54, 58, probably. Like in the past 3 months, it's still kept that like $5 range. And you can see on the week, like we barely move, like we go like 55, 57. So even if you just did 54, 59, literally that's like a foolproof condor. So yeah, like honestly, bro, like I'm just trying to share this strategy with you guys, and Theta is your best friend, so you get max profit only if it expires without like a lot of movement. That's why I chose these stocks. Like, you can't have like big spikes up because it'll start like taking your profit away. And then if it starts moving like that on the last day, you only get like half of the profit because it's like all the legs have to like expire at like the same time. So if one leg is worth a lot more than the other, then it'll like push up the price, so you won't make your full profit. But if these stocks shouldn't move that much, so that's why I choose these stocks. So you can literally double or triple your money almost every week, like as long as there's nothing crazy in the market. So I just really want to share this with you guys, and hopefully you guys did enjoy this. Ask me any questions you have down in the comments below, and yeah, it's been cool, and I'll get you guys in more stock strategies. All right, guys, see you later. Peace.